technology is the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological processes and resources. Educational technology, in a way, could be traced back to the emergence of very early tools, e.g. paintings on cave walls. The University of Northern Colorado has a rich and interesting history. UNC was originally founded as a teacher's college called the State Normal School in 1890. The school offered certificates for 2 years of coursework. As the school grew and changed, so did the name. In 1911, it was called the Colorado State Teachers College and was offering Bachelor of Arts degrees. It was changed again in 1935 to the Colorado State College of Education, and then shortened to the Colorado State College in 1957. The school would see its final name change in 1970 to the University of Northern Colorado to represent the myriad degree programs that the school now had to offer. Looking back at UNC history, the university has stayed true to its mission of creating a high-level learning institution centered around its students. Growing from a teacher's college of 96 students in 1890 to over 13,000 students today, offering bachelor's, master's, and doctoral degrees. As technology has advanced through the ages, so has the evolution of technology use and instruction at UNC. Offering both master's and doctoral degrees in educational technology, UNC stays at the forefront of fostering the use of technology to 21st century learners.
Hi, I'm Jeff Bauer. I'm a professor at the University of Northern Colorado in educational technology, and I've been here for 22 years, and it's been a fun 22 years. Educational technology is a really eclectic field. There are a lot of people doing a lot of different things under the umbrella of educational technology. Of course, there's the K-12 area where we look at things like integrating technology into teaching. There's the corporate arena where we focus on designing instruction, designing training for businesses. Even the military and the medical field use quite a bit of instructional design for their training and orientations, things like that. But it really isn't a field that's defined by machines. It's more defined by the process of designing efficient, effective, appealing instruction.
The Department of Educational Technology oversees 3 degree programs and 1 related endorsement. The first program is the Master's in Educational Technology that is designed to develop knowledge and skills in instructional design and technologies for a variety of learning contexts.
Oh, it's not scary. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm Dr. Jim Gall, and I'm a professor of educational technology at the University of Northern Colorado. And here we look at educational technology as really a combination of 3 things. It's really technology skills, so mainly computers, digital devices, the hardware and software that we use in education and training. Number 2, it's instructional design, so it's the process of creating instruction, cognitive theory, so how do people learn, so how do we really create and apply the best instruction. And the third thing is really research. So how do we interpret good research on instructional technologies, create good research, and apply it. So our graduate programs are really a combination of those 3 things: the technology, the design, and the research. So our students get classes in all 3 of those areas in order to basically go into settings, whether they're schools, higher education, government positions, hospitals, organizations, so they can become educators, trainers that really use technology and develop educational systems that are going to be the best for the learners that they have.
Program is the Master's in School Library Education and the School Library Endorsement. These programs are tailored specifically to K-12 libraries and learning resource media centers.
Hey, I'm Linda Lohr, and I teach instructional design courses at the University of Northern Colorado. And you've just asked me why educational technology is important. I think in the future, people will be communicating with media, and in order to do that communication effectively in ways that people understand them, they need to learn how to use tools. And in the past, we communicated with words and writing, and I think in the future we're going to be communicating with cameras and videos and the integration of words and images. Okay, the benefits of an educational technology degree are many and varied. You may end up working in a school system, helping teachers use technology to teach, or you could be an instructional designer in business, creating learning environments for other people. You could work in a business, in a learning center, helping trainers in that area use media effectively. There are many ways you can go with educational technology.
The third program is the doctoral program that provides a terminal degree in instructional design and technologies that culminates in a dissertation of original research in the field.
Our program at UNC is an interesting program. It's not real small, but it's not real large. I suppose 5 full-time faculty members would probably qualify it as a medium-sized program. We have students that go into all different kinds of fields when they graduate here. Of course, we have people who go on to become professors at various kinds of universities. We have people involved in online teaching at places like Jones. We have training managers for companies like AT&T Wireless. Lots of people go into the instructional design area and work as professional instructional designers. And there are a lot of people who go into K-12 school settings and become computer teachers, district technology coordinators, and of course probably the biggest field right at the moment deals with distance delivery of education programs, especially higher education programs. So we have a bunch of people who work at designing and helping deliver courses and educational programs to a diverse population of learners spread out all over the world. At UNC, I think what's unique about our program is that we really give our students a lot of leeway to research what interests them most. We probably don't have expertise in every single area of educational technology, but certainly we allow students to become experts in any area pretty much that they wish. And we're here to facilitate that whole process. We don't limit the kinds of research that people can do as long as it's related to the field of educational technology, and as long as it's important research that's going to contribute something to the field. That's what we like and what we support at UNC.
Graduate level, the department provides courses in educational technology for the college's various teacher preparation programs.
The faculty I have heard the good things about the faculty and the teachers here. So they understand our situation, they understand our language, they understand our culture, religion, and they believe it, they respect it, and that's important for us.
It's a great university.
The faculty in education and technology, it's very helpful, and they help us
for each of the classes. It's also knowing how that material is used and how to best convey the subject that you want using the materials that you have.
The doctors here or the professors are very nice.
Everything is interested.
Educational technology is a great field.
Educational technology as a major, it's really, I believe it became extremely important for us, for the students as a whole, for the teachers, for everything.
Visit the university website at www.unco.edu to explore all that UNC's Educational Technology Department has to offer. Please also visit the UNC Educational Technology Department alumni page to read first-hand accounts of how the Educational Technology Department and staff have given past students the valuable tools needed to continue their success as instructional designers.